Ready to dive into the world of decentralized finance and learn how to trade on PancakeSwap? First things first, you'll need a Web3 wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Make sure it's installed and set up on your browser or mobile device. Then head over to PancakeSwap's website. Always double-check the URL to avoid phishing scams. Click on the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner and select your wallet from the list. Your wallet will prompt you to grant PancakeSwap permission to connect. Review the permissions carefully and confirm. Once connected, your wallet address will be displayed on the site. Now, let's get trading. Navigate to the Trade section. Usually found in the left-hand menu, you'll see the familiar From and to fields. In the From field, select the token you want to trade. For example, BNB. In the To field, choose the token you want to receive, like cake. Before confirming the trade, pay attention to the slippage tolerance. This is the percentage difference you're willing to accept between the expected price and the actual price for volatile tokens. You might need to increase the slippage. Click the settings icon to adjust it. Enter the amount of the From token you want to trade. PancakeSwap will automatically calculate the estimated amount of the To token you'll receive. Review the details, including the price impact and transaction fees. If everything looks good, click the Swap button. Your wallet will pop up again, asking you to confirm the transaction and gas fees. Double-check everything, especially the gas fees, and click Confirm. And that's it. Once the transaction is confirmed on the Binance Smart Chain, you'll see a notification on PancakeSwap. You can then view your newly acquired tokens in your wallet. Remember to explore PancakeSwap's other features like providing liquidity and yield farming to maximize your DeFi experience.